look at that. Pileated, however you want to say it. It's 4 syllables. There's a woodpecker up in my tree. Oh, look at that.
It's another hot one in the UP.
Wow, you look hot.
What's the deal? I mean, usually it's 2 days of summer and then we have nice weather, but man, this 70-degree weather, I can hardly handle it. It's just too much for me.
And the flies?
Oh yeah, the deer fly sitting on your camera right there.
Yeah, buzzing around.
One bit me in the hand earlier. Yeah, you get a little woodpecker there. I thought the neighbor was building a shed, but it's just, he was knocking down some big branches, getting after some bugs in there, I guess. I found some bugs in some decking I was cutting up for some windows.
Really?
Yeah, there was thousands of ants in there.
Oh, more than in the boat?
About the same, yeah. Maybe
Did you get a video of it?
No, we were stomping. Jack came out and helped me stomp them out.
Oh, is that why you called them out?
Yeah. There's a lot of ants.
Oh, the flies won't leave me alone. Speaking of boats, I hear something in the woods. We've got a big tarp covering the boat. We're waiting for some parts to come in, and the forecast calls for rain in the next couple of days. We'll see if that comes to fruition. All right, do you see that? There's a woodpecker up in my tree. Why are you talking when I'm talking to the camera? I start recording and you start that up. Okay, now we gotta be quiet so we can hear it tapping. Tap, tap, tap. It's another night and I'm out here trying to get videos of those birds, the yellow shafted flicker. I've got Piper with me, and I've got a whole bunch of deer flies and regular flies and mosquitoes flying around my face. All for the chance to get a video of a bird. I was out here a lot yesterday and I got about 5 minutes of video. There's too many branches. I find the hole where the babies are, but there are just too many branches in the way. Okay, I've been out here for about an hour. The bugs are still horrendous, and in that time I didn't see the parents head in to feed the babies at all. So it is almost 8:30 at night. The sun has gone down. It's actually going to set in about an hour. I'm tired of waiting out here, so I think I got some good shots of the little babies peeking their heads out. There are 2 of them. It's so loud. I hope you enjoy all the bird coverage. It's so loud.